Okay, and so we are just waiting for the jail to come and go. Okay. Mr. Carmona, I need you to not drive while you're on Zoom, please. You're saying you know, but you're still driving. Okay, thank you. All right, we're just waiting for your son to finish speaking with the prosecutor. Okay, all right, Mr. Carmona, I'm just gonna sign you off of this, so since you're here at the courthouse, you can just walk on in, okay? Mr. Carmona?
I don't have pants. Hello?
Well, I hope that you're wearing something on the bottom. Are you wearing shorts?
I have shorts on. They won't let me in
Okay.
shorts.
Okay, you're correct. Okay. All right. Well, you said you didn't have pants, so I was hoping that you were just in shorts and had something else on the bottom. Okay.
I was gonna try to go and buy pants, but I can't, but it happened too fast. So I'm here, I'm in shorts.
Okay. All right. All right, and so we are going to go on the record in the matter of the city of Wyandotte versus Anthony Carmona, 231002. And appearance, counsel?
Good morning, Your Honor. Christopher Shemke appearing on behalf of my client. At this time, we consent to the matter being heard via Zoom.
All right, Mr. or Anthony, your name, please?
Can I say one thing before my name?
No, we got to go through this process. I think it'd be wise to let the process go and let me do most of the speaking.
I'm sorry. Anthony.
Hold on. Mr. Carmona, let me just tell you this. Only one can speak at a time, okay, please? So your attorney was talking, so that means you have to wait to talk. Sometimes there's a little bit of a delay, so just please be patient. So, no, I would prefer you not say anything before your name. Just please tell me your name, sir.
Anthony.
Anthony, do you have a last name?
Carmona.
Okay. And so, counsel, today is the point for the arraignment based upon your client's incarceration. And as to the arraignment.
As the arraignment, we waive formal reading. My client stands mute.
All right, the court will waive the formal reading, enter plea of not guilty for purpose of the arraignment. We will schedule this matter for pretrial May 23rd at 10 a.m. And counsel, I think Mr. Carmona has something he'd like to say, but let's get through this part first. As to bond, counsel.
Your Honor, as to bond, my client's 30 years old. He indicates he's not on probation or parole. He owns his own business. He's actually very busy doing heating and cooling. In fact, he would be working right now, but for the fact that he's in custody. He is married, but he is living alone right now in Taylor. I understand that he has a strong family support system. He indicates he will appear at any and all future court dates. He will not violate in any way. So at this time, we would be respectfully requesting consideration for a personal bond. Thank you, Judge.
Okay, thank you. And Mr. Carmona, what company do you own?
Google it. It's got 5-star reviews. I don't even have a single 4-star review.
Okay, well, that's good. Okay. And you're married?
Yeah. Can I say something?
Sure, sir.
and this is the only time I can say this, you're very pretty. And I'm just gonna leave it at that, and I'm done. I'm not saying it again.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, why did I say that? Okay, all right.
That's not going to affect your bond determination, I can tell you
No,
that.
I just needed you to know that truth. That's all.
Okay.
They can't take me to jail for that one, because that's the truth, baby. I'm held under oath.
All right, stop.
All right, Dad, okay.
Okay, hold on. Please do not refer to me as baby.
No, that was my dad. I was calling my dad baby.
And Mr. Dave Carmona, I don't have you identified for the record, so please, I have you on here, but you have to maintain silence, okay, sir? So, okay. Have you ever failed to appear for court, Anthony?
I don't believe so, and if it was out of my control.
What does that mean?
I mean, if I have ever missed court before, it was because of a train or something, and then I showed up later. I'm just saying, I don't want to lie and say I've never missed court, because I can't recall every single. You can see my record. I've been to jail a lot as a kid. A
You've been
lot.
to jail a lot?
A lot. My dad has driven me back and forth to so many things. Ask him. So many. That's how I know this process and how I knew I could tell you what I told you. Just I had to be in line and do it in the right time and say it the right way. And in a different setting, this would be so awesome.
Okay, I don't know what that means, but okay. So,
You don't want me to explain it, right?
what's that?
You don't want me to explain what it means, do you?
No, I think we're good, thank you. Okay, so you,
I'm so sorry. I got her all frustrated and confused. I'm sorry, guys. She's running the show here. I need to shut up.
I'm not frustrated or confused, sir. I'm just trying to figure out how you're saying you've been arrested so many times, but I'm only showing one on your criminal history.
Hey, that's good. You know what? Wipe the slate clean. It's probably all in juvenile stuff or some crap like that. It's all misdemeanors. All misdemeanors. Same thing that's pretty much happening right now. I really wish I wasn't getting charged at all. If I was being honest, like that, this kind of sucks. I got a lot of stuff going on. I'm probably gonna lose custody of my child. And it's like I'm pretty sure that's solidified by this.
How old is your child, sir?
15 weeks in the womb.
15 weeks?
Yeah, that's why I'm so frustrated. My wife left me about a month ago, and I am sexually frustrated. I'm completely messed up. I mean, I think you can tell that though, right? I'm flirting with the court officer, or the judge. I'm flirting with the judge in front of my dad. How sexually frustrated can a man be? And in a different setting, I'd be asking you to go out to the sushi bar across the street.
Okay, well, I think, okay, now you're crossing the line, sir.
Okay, I'm sorry. That's why I gotta shut up now.
Sir, have you? Are you under the care of any doctors right now, sir?
Sorry.
Are you under the care of any doctors right now?
Oh, of course not. No.
Okay, so I'm a little confused as well because your financial affidavit says that somebody's 15 weeks pregnant. So
Yes.
Is your wife pregnant, or do you have a 15-week-old child that's been born?
One in the oven. She's glowing. She's glowing. She's super pretty because of how pregnant she is. Does that make it clear? I'm sorry.
Yes, no, that's fine. And
Perfect.
so you don't work at Trillium Academy anymore then, correct?
No, that's my wife. Did I fill that out wrong? My wife works there.
Oh, I'm sorry, yes, okay.
She's a teacher for 4-year-olds. That's how I know she's gonna be a good mom.
All right, okay, and so here's what the court's going to do. Counsel, the court's going to indicate a $2,500 10% bond.
Aw, Dad, you gotta bring money up here, man.
Excuse me, sir, in the event bond is posted, you're not to be released in an alcohol tether. You're not to possess or consume any alcohol or drugs unless prescribed, okay?
What? Okay, all right. No
All
alcohol.
right, anything else, counsel?
No, Your Honor.
Can I smoke
Oh,
weed?
I'm sorry, hold on. Your wife is present. Ma'am, if you can please come up to the podium.
Am I allowed to smoke weed?
No, sir, you're not allowed to smoke. Do you have a valid prescription for marijuana?
Can I go get one and then be able to smoke it?
Sir, not unless you have a treating physician that you have a relationship with, a medical history with.
I would like to not hear my wife. I don't want to hear her.
Well, the court does, so you're going to have to just sit tight and not interrupt. Okay, ma'am, your name, please? Okay, and can you please spell your first and last names? Okay, thank you. And what would you like the court to know?
He's recovering alcoholic. So he has been needing some professional help, probably for the past month. He's when he started spiraling with a lot of intoxication for weed and alcohol again. The weed has been going on for a little while, but just recently, in the past month, everything's been in excessive use. So we've been trying very hard to get him, petition him for medical help. Yeah. I know there's been a history of bipolar as well. I'm not quite sure if that's part of the problem with the weed and alcohol right now. He's just been very not himself, so I've separated myself from the house.
Okay. All right, and so what, unfortunately, because this is a misdemeanor, the Center, for Forensic Psychiatry does not, they will not perform mental health and psychiatric evaluations on individuals charged with misdemeanors. They won't do an evaluation like they will for a felony. But what this court's going to indicate is, as a condition of bond, that Mr. Carmona needs to contact a mental health professional and have a psychological evaluation scheduled. That may not, the contact needs to be made. The evaluation may not occur prior to the next court date of May 23rd, but at least it will be scheduled. And the court's going to also indicate, well, actually, Mr. Anthony Carmona, hold on, I see you have your hand raised, I'm getting to you.
Don't lose it, I'm losing my question.
If you, just one moment, if you were to test today, what's in your system?
Marijuana and alcohol. And
Anything
nicotine,
else?
a lot of nicotine, marijuana, and alcohol, no other, and nothing. I'll piss right now, actually, I don't really care. Sorry, I shouldn't use that word. Number two, you look even prettier without the glasses.
Okay, all right. Well, I appreciate that, sir, but Ms. Carmona, have you, I know that you indicated that in the last month that the marijuana use has become more excessive. What about the alcohol use?
I've increased
Hold on,
on,
sir.
oh, that was her, so I thought it was
I'll get to you in
directed.
just a moment.
I know he has been casually drinking for the past few months, but from friend references, there's been use of the alcohol, not how much. I'm not sure how excessive it's been. But I know that he's, especially since I've been separated from the household, there's been some comments here and there with people that he's been a little wired, I guess you could say.
Okay. And so, have you noticed that there has been any other issues that may be going on? I know you said that there's a family history of bipolar, but anything specifically with Anthony Carmona?
No, I know that his dad was also a recovering alcoholic. He is sober though. But yeah, that's the most that I am aware of.
Okay. All right. So, counsel, here's what I'm going to do. I'll maintain the bond at 2,500, 10%, not to possess and consume any alcohol or drugs unless prescribed, not to be released without alcohol tether through Wayne County Jail. And upon release, you need to contact the probation department, Mr. Carmona, so that you can get set up with random testing.
I figured her name. I wonder if I'm gonna get the same probation officer. She was the blonde girl with she was pregnant at the time. I hope I get her because she's really pretty too.
Well, that person isn't here anymore, sir.
Oh, dang. Hopefully you refill the spot with a really hot girl. Because my wife doesn't want any.
I'm
She's
sorry.
a hot woman.
This is well.
I can't hear you.
For me.
Oh, yes, I can tell by some of the comments. Yes. Okay.
So at least I get some grace, right? I get a little bit of grace.
No, sir, what you get is bond conditions. You get an alcohol tether through the Wayne County Jail, random testing, and you are to contact a mental health professional for an evaluation and determination as to what services you may need.
Dad, you got that?
All right. All right, anything else, council?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. We'll see you back on May 23rd. Thank you. We're gonna be off the record. Okay, Mr. Shunky?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, so I think that's all, that's everybody we have paperwork on right now for the in custodies. I think there's 4 more back there.
Okay.
4 or 5, I've lost count at this point, but
4.
4, there's 4 back there. I think that there was a call down to the Wayne County Prosecutor's, there are 5, yes, 5. I think there was a call down to the Wayne County Prosecutor's Office regarding the status of 1, I think it's been in since yesterday. And then we're just waiting to see on the paperwork from the rest of them, so you wanna log off and wait for a call, and then we'll let you know.
Coincidentally, Judge, you and I did take our glasses off at about the same time, so I'm not sure if he was speaking to you or me. I just.
Good point, Chris.
Okay.
All right, thanks, Judge. I'm on standby.
Okay, all right.